If you want to add a clean cinematic vignette in Photopea, this tutorial is going to show you the fastest and easiest way to do it without ruining your image. A vignette is a simple editing effect that darkens the edges of a photo and helps pull the viewer's attention toward the center. It's great for portraits, product photos, social media graphics, and even thumbnails. And the best part is, you can create it non-destructively, so you can always come back and adjust it later. Before we get started, make sure to hit the like button if this tutorial helps you and subscribe for more easy Photopea tips, editing tricks, and step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Now, let's jump into it. First, open your image in Photopea. Once your file is loaded, look at the top menu bar. You're going to create the vignette using a gradient fill layer, which gives you a lot more control than just painting dark edges manually. Go up to Layer, then choose New Fill Layer, and then click Gradient Fill. A new layer will appear, and the Properties panel should open automatically. This is where the magic happens. In the Properties panel, find the Style dropdown. By default, it will usually be set to Linear. Change that from Linear to Radial. This is important because a radial gradient spreads out from the center in a circular shape, which is exactly what you want for a vignette effect. Once you switch to radial, you may notice that the dark area is either in the center or on the outside, depending on how the gradient is set up. If the center is dark instead of the edges, simply check the reverse box. That flips the gradient direction so the center stays lighter and the edges become darker. Now look for the scale slider. This controls how large the gradient appears across your image. If the dark area is too close to the center, increase the scale. A good starting point is around 120% to 150%, but you can adjust it based on the size and style of your photo. The goal is to push the darker area outward so the vignette feels smooth and natural instead of harsh. After that, go to the Layers panel. You'll want to change the blend mode of the vignette layer. For a strong classic vignette, try Multiply. If you want something a little softer and more subtle, Soft Light can work really well too. Both options can look great, so feel free to test them depending on the type of image you're editing. Next, lower the opacity of the layer. This step is what makes the vignette feel believable. If the effect is too strong, your photo can look over-edited. A good range is usually around 30% to 60%, but again, you can fine-tune it until it looks right for your image. The lower the opacity, the more natural the vignette will appear. At this point, you've created a fully editable vignette in Photopea. The beauty of this method is that you can come back anytime and change the style, reverse settings, scale, blend mode, or opacity without starting over. That makes it perfect for beginners and also really useful for more advanced editors who want a fast workflow. If you want to take it one step further, try duplicating the layer or adjusting the gradient colors slightly to match the mood of your design. For example, a softer vignette can work better for portraits, while a darker vignette can make a dramatic product shot or YouTube thumbnail stand out more. Small changes can make a big difference in the final look. So to recap, the steps are simple. Go to Layer, New Fill Layer, Gradient Fill, switch the style to Radial, reverse it if needed, increase the scale, set the blend mode to Multiply or Soft Light, and lower the opacity until it looks natural. That's all it takes to add a professional vignette effect in Photopea. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Photopea guides, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.